Hi, my name is David Aviv. I'm Radware CTO, and I will be introducing you to the world of Radware's NFV solutions. First, let's introduce and understand what are the key drivers for NFV. First of all, the telco service provider would like improved innovation cycles and time to market for shortening the product or service introduction sets. Secondly, agility is very important for them for that real-time changes and on-demand services. And obviously, the CapEx and OpEx consideration for operation and cost reduction of introducing of new service cycles. So let's see, how did we in Radware respond to that? Well, more than a year and a half ago, I would say, we started to develop our releases and versions for the Alteon new product line for NFV. We are leveraging DPDK and KVM PCI pass-through technology, and we have tested our solution on the Cisco, HP, Dell, rack servers. And we support multiple network configurations in order to provide today, as of today, about 100 gig BPS, bit per second, which can be launched over all those three server sets. And soon we will be getting into the domain of 160 gig BPS with the new Intel Fortville network interface cards. How do we move forward having such large virtual appliances? Well, as we do know, the appetite in the mobile environment calls for larger virtual appliances. So in Radware, we innovated with a new approach called the software cluster. What is a software cluster? Similarly to an hardware cluster, it consists of a software chassis and a software blade. The software blade, as we have seen, is our virtual appliance. So the idea is to run a software chassis which consists from an SDN control application and a corresponding SDN switch. Together, when we have the software chassis bundled with the software blades, we get a new software cluster. Now, the software cluster provides two key advantages to the operators. One, horizontal scaling, so we are able to scale in and out for getting and control the resource pools. And secondly, but not less important, self-recoverable cluster. Software chassis, as you can see here in that slide, with this application, we run an application which is actually distributing and onboarding first our virtual appliances. After onboarding the virtual appliances and creating a VNF, we run the VNF and we distribute the traffic by computing an hash, a programmable hash. With that, we provide three delivery software cluster models to the market. One, a VNFC. Secondly, an over-the-top model in which we can run an ADC as a service. And the third one that we will elaborate a little bit later on is a traffic steering engine for GLAN for mobile applications.